Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 21st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in making these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make you a better trader and investor. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla, after having a nice day, is just pulling back a little bit. So Tesla closed at $655.21, down $5.29, down 0.8%, and post-market we seem to be down by 26 cents. So we had a good day yesterday where we bounced basically on this support here, this big support, and now we are basically trending sideways. We went a little bit higher today in terms of the high of the day. The high of the day was at 664 and yesterday was 662, and the low is also higher. So even though we are having a red candle, still we trended a little bit higher even if we closed down today. Nothing to worry about since we still are above this support. We seem to be getting stuck a little bit on 657, and we can take a look at it when we look at the hour chart. And also we have a potential resistance at 667 and 694. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 9:30 candle was right here at 9:30. The stock had, as I mentioned, a nice run yesterday, and today basically is the pullback day, and we had drawn this support at 654, and this support was used in the past. Look at this here. So it was used on July 14th where the stock bounced a little bit before going down again. Was used also around July 9th where it was used as support for a while and then the stock continued up. Same thing around July 6th. This is a support resistance that the stock has been taking into consideration. So basically this is what the stock is still doing today. We crushed or broke past that 654 support yesterday, and today we bounced on it and we went a little bit lower here during the 12:30 hour, and then the lows kept getting higher and higher, and now we closed above this. We closed with a green candle with a little wick at the top. So we see that the stock is having a little bit of a problem to really break out and continue from 655, 654. It's having to struggle a little bit. Stochastic is pretty high at 78. Seeing the stochastic, this is telling me that there is still strength in the market, so I would not be surprised if tomorrow the stock would continue. I would not be surprised, and MACD is still bullish both on the crossover as we mentioned yesterday, but also the fact that the two lines are now above zero, and also DMI on the hourly chart is very good. So I think it's just a little bit of a pullback unless something else happens, but the trend seems to be that we are going to continue on this way. Let's go back to the daily chart to look at the indicators on a daily basis. Okay, so stochastic is just going up and down, above 50, below 50, so I have to do what I have to do. So because stochastic is under 50, we need to put this red thumb down. This is more like an orange thumb down. I'm going to put this fuchsia thumb down. So basically, yes, basically I am a little bit surprised that this candle here, this red candle today, did not at least make the stochastic go sideways. I should look at the calculation of stochastic to really understand why. In terms of the MACD, let me say something. Because the stock is really going sideways. We are stuck between 624 and 694. It's really stuck and it's zigzagging between the two lines, the two trend lines. What is happening for MACD, which is an indicator that is based on moving averages, is that they might be crossing like this. And pretty much all of the indicators, come to think of it, will go back and forth when the stock is actually going back and forth too. It's not a big surprise to see that stochastic is underneath 50, above, underneath, and the same for MACD. So see, the blue line here on July 6th was above the orange line. Then a couple of days later, it was below, and then was above, and then it's below again. So basically, that's par for the course. And same for the DMI. So look at the DMI. We have a green line here above the red line. So basically, stochastic is now saying that the stock is in a uptrend, whereas, was it yesterday? Was it yesterday? No, it was not yesterday. It was 2 days ago where the DMI said, no, this is a bear trend. So basically, the stock does not really know where it needs to go. And I think people are really waiting for next Monday where the earnings call for Tesla will happen. And so far, there has been this little bit of a rally since July 19th, a little bit of a rally after opening quite low. But this is the only rally that we see right now before the earnings call. I don't know if this is going to still continue. We'll have to wait until the rest of the week in order to see if there is going to be a bigger rally coming before Monday. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for becoming a member of the channel. We have a Patreon account, Discord server, Patreon affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.